Hey everyone, before we dive into the video, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I have a newly updated website, and on the website I have a page dedicated to courses where I will be posting pre-recorded courses as well as live online courses coming up. I actually have one that is being posted today, so make sure to check that out if you are interested in an online course for prep and e-file knowledge. I also have a spot for all of my discount codes easily linked, so make sure to check that out if you're interested, and let's get into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a really fun nail shopping experience that I had recently and show you guys some of the goodies that I got. I recently had the chance to go to New Jersey. I was actually visiting New York to visit some family, and New Jersey is just, a hop, skip, and a jump away, and I knew that Zillabeau, the Korean and Japanese nail product shop, was in New Jersey and it wasn't too far away. So I had to make a little bit of a trek out there to visit them and see their warehouse and do a little shopping while I was there, because why not? How could I miss up the opportunity to visit them and see some of these amazing, beautiful products in person? I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when you look at nail products and colors online, you can't always see like the true color, or sometimes something is like beautiful and online it looks like so boring and you have no idea. And so I was really excited to go there because I was able to see more of the colors in person and get a better idea of what some of the colors looked like. So they have this beautiful showroom showing all of the collections like displayed, and they have a lot of the colors swatched for you, and they also have little displays for each collection and like the theme, because a lot of these collections that come from Korea and Japan, they have these like beautiful themes to them, and they really go all out with the packaging, which I love. And so they had kind of little setups to kind of go with the theme of each collection, and it was really cute to see and fun. And it's just like, oh my gosh, like so many beautiful products and colors. So then once you go like behind the showroom, they have the warehouse with all of the colors that you can walk through and pick from, and you can go in person and shop there. They're open, I believe it's from 1 to 5 that you can do in-person shopping. So if you're in that New Jersey area, you might want to check it out, and you can look at the displays, get an idea of what you want, and then you go back into the warehouse area and they have all of the colors to choose from. They've got brushes, nail art products, chromes, flakes. All of the collections are so cute though. Like, it is so hard to resist buying everything. So when I went, I actually didn't go too crazy, I know. So I did get some of the products that I wanted, but I also was able to kind of see products that I might want to get in the future, kind of see what they look like, get a better idea. So that's why I didn't go too crazy, because I knew I could order it online later as well. They also have a classroom in there where they are hosting seminars. I think they have a couple coming up in November, which look amazing. And they also just had one recently where they had an educator come and teach how to paint character nails, and it looked amazing. I wish I could have gone. And I do have a coupon code. If you purchase anything from them, you can use my code Katie10. It'll save you 10% off of your purchase. Everyone was super nice there and very helpful, and it was a really fun experience, and I'm glad I got to go. So I am going to flip the camera around now and I'm going to show you guys what I got. And yeah, so I'm excited, and so let's take a look at some of the stuff that I got. Okay, first of all, I got 4 new magnetic gel polishes, or cat-eye gel polishes. I'm finding that cat-eye magnetic polishes are becoming extremely popular lately. They've been out for a while, but I feel like more companies are coming out with more colors of them, and they just are becoming really popular. Like, the trend is like exploding right now. So I got 4 new ones of those. There were some other colors that I wanted, like some really pretty blues that were sold out. So I have those on my list that I want to get once those get restocked. So this is FG54. And it's a really nice kind of red toned purple. FG54 5, which is a darker purple and a little bit more blue toned. And these ones also have like an iridescent shimmer in there as well. So it has a little bit more depth and dimension than just your regular cat eye. FG51, which is a really pretty olive green color. And lastly, FG53, which is a nice kind of dark maroon, kind of red color. And these are all from the brand F Gel, which I love. Look how stunning these bottles are, like so pretty. So I am gonna swatch these as well and make sure to show you guys the swatches of them also. So when I swatch them, I do use the magnet and create like the cat eye effect for the swatches. I think one of these days I want to go through my cat eyes and just paint them on the swatch without using the magnet, because I think they look really pretty on their own as well, without using any of the magnetic, you know, properties in them. And so I'm gonna swatch like this olive green one first, I think. And I'll show you guys really quick how I kind of create that really cool magnetic effect. So I'm probably gonna do 2 coats. Look how great that coverage is for 1 coat. A lot of times these cat eye gels are pretty sheer. I don't know, I think it's just like, must just be how the pigments work in there, is it needs to be a little bit more sheer. And so you can still see through it, so I am gonna do 2 coats. So for the first coat, I'm gonna take the magnet like this way. This is a leaf gel magnet. You can also get it from Zillabeau. So I'm just gonna flip it and go all over the nail like this, and it'll kind of get rid of the cat eye effect a little bit. And then I'm gonna cure this, and I'm gonna do 1 more layer and actually use the magnetic properties. So then the second coat, I'm gonna go in, paint all over the nail again. And for this, I'm gonna turn the magnet upside down and just get kind of close to it, and you'll be able to see the kind of magnetic effect. So then when I turn, you can see the magnetic pigments kind of flash and move, and it looks super cool. So I'm gonna cure this and I will swatch the other ones. So next I have 2 more F gel polishes, and these are both glitters, and I'm actually wearing this one on my nails right now. Like, look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that is. It's kind of like a rose gold. It has some gold in it, some coppery, kind of pinkish colors, and there is like some iridescent kind of glitters in there also. It's so pretty. But I was super impressed by this. This color is number FG29. I was super impressed because this is only 1 coat of this gel polish, which is pretty amazing to me because it's pretty hard to find a glitter gel polish that goes on that opaque in 1 coat. Now I did kind of float it on the nail a little bit, so I wasn't really like pushing down hard with my brush. I did float it on there, which helps when applying glitter, but I personally haven't come across any glitter gel polish that will apply that nicely in 1 coat. Usually it takes at least 2 to 3 coats because it's kind of more sparse. So I was very impressed that I was able to get away with 1 coat of this glitter, especially for a gel polish. And then I also got this color, FG33, which is kind of like a dark gunmetal kind of silver color. Looks like some holographic glitters in there also. And I'm definitely gonna probably stock up on some more of these gel polishes because, again, I was just super impressed by how well they applied in 1 coat. Like, that's so impressive to me for a gel polish. Next I have the Myth Millo Cake Gel. This is another glitter. It's so funny, I didn't realize, like, I didn't get any solid like cream colors. I got all glitters, or like cat eyes. So this is a gold glitter that has kind of multicolored glitters mixed in with it. I think it's so pretty, and I think it's gonna be really gorgeous for winter because we have pink in there, blue, green, red. Like, how fun is that? And this is number CA27, and this is what it looks like in the pot. Oh my gosh, in the pan. Like, look how gorgeous that is. I just feel like December time, like, this is gonna be a really beautiful color. I do have a whole video showing myself using these for the first time, like unboxing them and kind of showing how to use these Myth Millow colors, because they are pretty unique as in the packaging. It's more of like a makeup compact versus like a pot. And what's cool is you can buy it once, and then if you run out, you can just buy the refill tin. So you can just refill the color and keep the packaging, the original packaging, and it's cheaper if you purchase the refill tins. So you can kind of save yourself a little bit of money and kind of use less packaging and less waste. So that's pretty nice. And this is like, you can turn this thing upside down, it's not gonna move. So when you apply it, it's gonna be more of like placement glitter versus like, it's not gonna float on like you would kind of probably like this gel polish. It's gonna be more like you're gonna put it on and you're gonna kind of push it into place, and you can even use, I use like a dotting tool or a little art brush and kind of gently move the glitters exactly where I want them and then cure it. So that's how you would use this kind of compact glitter. But again, isn't this gold just stunning? I was like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be so popular for winter. So I did get 2 of these pumps for alcohol and acetone. These are from Izemi, and I just grabbed these because I really wanted 2 matching pumps. I've never had matching alcohol acetone pumps in my life, and I think it just looks really nice on my desk. I like how they're a little bit wider and shorter, so they're not sticking up like super tall, and they just work very well. So I'm super happy with these, and they have a little cap on them. You can twist to lock it into place, twist it back to unlock it, and it does snap shut. And then I just put a little label on there so I knew kind of what was inside of it. I also grabbed some of these Disney stickers, which I have been eyeing on the website because they are so cute. These are the Nail Deco stickers, and these are from the brand D-Gel. So this one is Winnie the Pooh themed, and I love this. I love this like golden drips of honey. It's so adorable. I have seen on Instagram kind of their examples of how they use these stickers, and I think it's so cute. And the other one I got is the Ariel sticker set, and again, so cute. You got your little like clamshells here, mermaid, adorable. I had to have the Winnie the Pooh one. I was like, oh my gosh. But I will say these are not cheap stickers. These are $15 each. So I just got 2 of them to try them out, but I do have a lot of clients who go to Disneyland and want Disney nails, so I thought they would be cute. And I have seen, again, those Instagram pictures of how they used them, and they were so fun. So maybe this is something that you're wanting, maybe Black Friday, you know, because $15 for stickers is, I know it's expensive, but I just couldn't resist. So if I use these on a client, or if you were to purchase these and use these on a client, you'd want to make sure, and definitely make sure you're charging enough, because the stickers themselves are not cheap. And lastly, Zillabeau has come out with 2 Cordless Efiles, their own brand, and so they have 2 of them. This one is the one that goes to 30,000 RPM. So the other one I believe is 20 or 25,000. I do have the other one, but I did leave it at home because I thought might be nice to have a little portable e-file at home just in case I want to do my nails at home or anything else like that. And so I took the other one home. The other one is pink also. This one is silver. Let's go ahead and open it up. This one, I did open the pink one, the other one at home. I can definitely feel a difference between this one and the other one. Just right off the bat, this one's got a little more weight to it. So you can see it has a little flashing light to let you know that it's on. So I think this would be great for someone who is doing your nails at home, or maybe you just have like a couple clients, or also if you are a press-on user. A lot of times you need to remove the old glue. If you want to reuse press-ons, you need to remove the old glue from the back of the press-on. So something like this would be great, super easy to use. It's, you know, chargeable, and you could just remove the glue from the old press-on, doing your nails at home, things like that. As I'm holding it, the handpiece itself is very, very large. I do have smaller hands, but it is very large. So just keep that in mind. If you have tiny hands, this might be a little bit too big for you. And just to quickly do a little comparison, this is the e-file I use regularly at the studio. And compared to this, you can see that it is quite a bit bigger. So just keep that in mind. This is a lot smaller for my hands, but I think it'd be great again for at-home user, that kind of stuff. I think that'd be perfect. Okay, here's all the colors swatched. We have the 4 cat-eye magnetic colors. You can see them kind of like shift and move when you turn the swatch. And then we have the 2 glitter gel polishes, and this is the Myth Millo Cake Gel Glitter. You can see how sparkly they are. When it kind of goes out of focus, they're so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will make sure and link everything down in the description box if you are looking for links to these items. And don't forget, you can use my code Katie10 to save 10% off of anything from Zillabeau. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.